मंगलमय शांत समाज जो जग जाएगा मैं तीरथ राजो राम भक्ति.
Sitaram. My name is Suresh Ramkisoon. Welcome to Swaha Sri Ramdam Sunday morning service. Today, Sunday, 14th of January 2024. Our program includes worship at our various levels, as well as bhajans and kirtans, followed by our main discourse. Do join us on this spiritual journey.
गगन में मर्त्य पवन में मुक्ति पवन में जन जीवन में हृदय गगन में मर्त्य पवन में मुक्ति पवन में जन जीवन में रश्मि कारणे मां शारदे जन जीवन में जननी मां जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी मां क्या मन हरना सुहाया है क्या मन हरना सुहाया है पारो सब कुछ मां चरणों पर मेरे मन कोई ढाया है जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी मां जय मां जय मां जय कृष्ण तू ही दुर्गा काली श्री राधा तू जय मां जय मां जय मां श्री राम तू ही श्री कृष्ण तू ही दुर्गा काली श्री राधा तू विष्णु शिव शंकर में ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव शंकर में तेरा ही तेज समाया है तेरा ही तेज समाया है जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी गुरुदेव की अंदर बैठ के माँ तुमने खेला उस खेलाया। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। गुरुदेव की अंदर बैठ के माँ तुमने खेला उस खेलाया। तुम रहना मेरा अपनापन मेरे सर बस चढ़ाया है। मैंने सर्वस चढ़ाया है। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जगदम्बिके जय जय जगजननी माँ। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ। राम कृष्ण हरे मुकुंद मुरारे। राम कृष्ण हरे मुकुंद मुरारे। पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा राम कृष्ण हरे।
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरी।
राम कृष्ण हरे मुकुंद मुरारे।
रामकृष्ण हरी मुकुंद मुरारी।
हे पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरे।
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरी।
जय राम श्री राम जय जय रामा।
जय राम श्री राम जय जय रामा।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय रामा।
श्री राम जय जय रामा।
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरे।
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरी।
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरे।
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरी।
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम
राधे श्याम राधे श्याम।
राधा माधव राधे श्याम।
राधा माधव राधे श्याम।
सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम सीताराम।
सीता वल्लभ सीताराम।
सीता वल्लभ सीताराम।
राधा मुकुंद राधे श्याम।
राधा मुकुंद राधे श्याम।
राधा गोविंद राधे श्याम।
राधा गोविंद राधे श्याम।
राधा राधा राधा
राधा राधा राधा।
राधा राधा राधा
राधा राधा राधा।
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद।
वृंदावन गोविंद
कृष्णवन गोविंद।
कृष्ण मुकुंद
कृष्ण मुकुंद।
हे नंद नंदना
हे नंद नंदना।
ओ नंद नंदना
ओ नंद नंदना।
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद।
राधे गोविंद
राधे गोविंद।
राम कृष्ण हरे मुकुंद विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरी
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंगा रामकृष्ण हरी
जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
हर शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
हरि शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
शिव शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ नीलकंठ हर दीनानाथ
शिव शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
अहि भूषण शिव गौरीनाथ
अहि भूषण शिव गौरीनाथ
अहि भूषण शिव गौरीनाथ
परम सुमंगल दीनानाथ
परम सुमंगल दीनानाथ
परम सुमंगल दीनानाथ
गिरिजारंगा परमानंदा समाधि प्रिया गंगानाथ
गिरिजारंगा परमानंद समाधि प्रिया गंगानाथ
गिरिजारंगा परमानंदा समाधि प्रिया गंगानाथ
गिरिजारंगा परमानंद समाधि प्रिया गंगानाथ
हर शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
हर शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
शिव शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
शिव शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ नीलकंठ हरि दीनानाथ
अहि भूषण शिव गौरीनाथ
अहि भूषण शिव गौरीनाथ
परम सुमंगल दीनानाथ
परम सुमंगल दीनानाथ
गिरिजारंगा परमानंदा समाधि प्रिया गंगानाथ
गिरिजारंगा परमानंद समाधि प्रिया गंगानाथ
हर शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
हरि शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ उमापति शिव भोलेनाथ
शिव शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ नीलकंठ हर दीनानाथ शिव शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ नीलकंठ हर दीनानाथ जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा
जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा
जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा
जय गुरु ओंकारा जय जय सद्गुरु ओंकारा
लघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज मन प्यारे सीताराम 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 भज मन प्यारे सीताराम रघुपति राघव
राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
जय रघुनंदन जय घनश्याम जानकी वल्लभ सीताराम
जय रघुनंदन जय सीताराम जानकी वल्लभ सीताराम
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
राम 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 बोले
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 राम बोले राम बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम 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 बोले
राम 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 बोले
राम 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 सुख रामा राम 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 रघु रामा
राम 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 सुख रामा
राम 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 रघु रामा राम 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 बोले
राम 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 बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम बोले राम बोले
राम 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 बोले
राम 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 बोले
बोलिए श्री सीतारामचंद्र की जय. Welcome to our regular service on Sunday mornings. Shanta Didi has completed puja, worship in all the temples while bhajans were in progress. And at this stage, I invite you to focus on Prabhu Shri Ram, Maryada Purushottam, as we perform invocation prayer. Om Shri Sita Ram Chandraya Namah. Om Shri Sita Ram Chandraya Namah. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Shri Janaki Vallabho Vijayate. Shri Ramcharitra Manas Pratham Sopan Balakand Vardhanamartha Sanghanam Rasanang Chandasamapi Mangalanang Chakartaro Vande Vani Vinayako Bhavani Shankaro Vande श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणा याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धः स्वान्तस्थमेश्वरम् वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुशङ्कररूपिणं यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्रः सर्वत्यवन्दते सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्य आरन्विहारिणा वन्दे विशुद्धविज्ञानो कवीश्वर कपीश्वरो. Let us all join. Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nija Mana Mukura Sudhat Varano Raghubara Vimalayasha Jodayaka Falachar Bodhyahina Tano Janike Sumiro Pavana Kumar Bal Buddhi Vedya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikar Pranava Pavana Kumar Khalban Pavaka Jnana Ghana Jasu Hridaya Gat Basahu Ram Sharchapadhara Shri Hanumate Namah Bole Shri Sita Ramachandra Ki Jai. Devotees, Shri Ram is the Ishtadev of, there are 1.2 billion Hindus approximately worldwide, and they all would have an affinity to Prabhu Shri Ram. North Indian, South Indian, wherever you go. The Katha of Shri Ram, the story of Shri Ram, has literally been carried around the world. In Southeast Asia in particular, in every country you go, even those that are now no longer secular, even though they subscribe to another religion, culturally, Ram Katha continues to exist and continues to be practiced. Devotees, when you look at the impact of Sri Ram on the psyche of devotees worldwide, you understand the impact that he has had. And I shouldn't use past tense. Not he has had, but yet he has. Because in Hindu thinking, Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, they are not entities who lived and died. They are ever existing. 500 years ago, Tulsidas, the composer of Tulsi Ramayana, is recorded as physically meeting Sri Ram. Sri Ram appears to him, gives him chandan, and he begins writing Tulsi Ramayana. And you know what is a fascinating thing when you think about it? When Tulsidas wrote Ramayana, there was no temple in Ayodhya. it was already destroyed. Remember, historically, there were invaders who went into India. And generally, if I want to conquer a people, what do I need to do? I need to destroy their heroes. I need to destroy their cultural edifices. And so what I'm saying today is not to be offensive. It's not at all offensive. It's a statement of fact. Everybody could check it. Following the invasion, over a number of years, India was under foreign domination for over 1,000 years. Firstly, the Islamic conquest and then the British. Initially, in terms of destroying temples, the birthplace of Sri Ram, Ayodhya, that temple was destroyed and Babri Masjid was put up. In Varanasi, another holy Hindu city, Kashi Vishwanath Mandir was destroyed and a mosque was put up. Now, this was just statements of history. There is no acrimony now. It makes no sense. When you go to Janmabhoomi, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, the temple was destroyed. And when those of you, some of you have been there, when you enter Janmabhoomi, you see the edifice of a mosque behind. That was also done. And thousands of major Hindu temples worldwide have been destroyed. And not only worldwide, but in India, in the period in which I speak. So, Tulsidas, can you imagine that? When he writes, Varnanam Artha Sanghanam Rasanam Chandasamapi from Varanasi, temple was already destroyed. In Ayodhya, Ram temple was destroyed already. But, you see, Sri Ram lives in our hearts. Sri Ram lives in our psyche, in our being. And so, when you read the history, it has been a 400 plus years of struggle to rebuild Ram temple. In Ayodhya, there was no temple. Janma Sansthan by Lord Krishna, the temple exists. Actually, those who have gone, the Garbhagriha, the area where Krishna Bhagwan actually appeared, it exists. And the temple, Bhagavad Bhavan, was built on the side. In Varanasi, the original lingam was restored and the temple was built. And so, Hindus continue to coexist. And this is a very important point about our philosophy. We coexist. Everywhere Hindus go, they don't create trouble, but they do. Because of the mindset, we add value. So in Ayodhya, however, the birthplace, there was always that desire to rebuild that temple. Now again, every society is complex, right? So you have the pseudo-intellectuals, and again, this is the effect of how you are educated. So, Sri Ram, from being a historical figure, when Western education came in, and now if I want to give you my perspective and destroy yours, what I have to do? Make your perspective look like foolishness. So, Sri Ram, from being a historical figure, became a mythological figure. So much so that many people even now refer to Ramayana as myth. It's mythological. You know, it's a story. It may not be based on fact. Similarly, Krishna Bhagwan is mythological. And you know the funny thing? Dwarika, his city, that was sunk off the coast of Gujarat, has been found. It's under the water. So a mythological figure has a real city. You see, but it depends on history. Take again Ram Setu. Hence to the whole Katha of Ramayana has the Sri Ram built a bridge from Rameshwaram to Lanka. On your atlases, it's not called Ram Setu, it's called Adam's Bridge. These are the facts of history. Now, why am I discussing this today? Because next Sunday, in our lifetime, after over 400 years of struggle, the temple at the birthplace of Sri Ram, Ram Lalla will find a permanent home. India is a secular country. India is committed to the rule of law. And the case went through the courts. I don't remember now how many years. But one of the first things that was said is Ram was mythological. There were those who disputed that there was a temple under the mosque. The Archaeological Survey of India, during earlier governments, the information has come out that you know what happened? Basically, information was suppressed. That there was in fact evidence of a temple below. And one of the interesting things, one of the archaeologists, a gentleman named Muhammad, you can check it. He's of Islamic orientation, but Indian, and he came out openly and said, proved and showed the evidence that the temple existed before. Finally, it's a very complex case, so we can't, if you're interested in the history, you can read it, but as a Hindu, wherever you are, you must know the history of your religion and what has transpired and how we develop. The temple at Sri Ram, the birthplace of Sri Ram, even Chinese writers over 700-800 years ago said people were worshipping Sri Ram at that location, long before the invaders came. So there's so much evidence. Ultimately, the Supreme Court of India adjudicated that that land, that spot, is to be given back to the Hindus to build a temple. And they also provided 5 acres of land for the Muslim community in Ayodhya to build a mosque, but not on the spot where Sri Ram appeared or was born. That mosque construction is going to start. The Islamic community is dealing with that. This Sunday, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, is going to be the chief celebrant in establishing in Ayodhya the Ram temple. Temple is not complete. The ground floor is complete. It's a huge edifice. And I invite you, those of you who may not have been following the history, because when we sing of Ram and we do Ramayana, it's not just philosophy. We must understand the history of our people. And the pride we should feel, the joy we should feel, is that after 400 years of struggle, at the birthplace of Sri Ram, a temple with his presence will finally be established. I don't know how many of you, Nan, you ever went before? There was a shed, a tent, with a small murti of Sri Ram. And you have to enter a cage to go in. Police with gun on all sides because it's a contested site. Now, hopefully, this sort of confusion is over. Temple of Sri Ram is being built, has been built, and it's a wonderful edifice. Later this year, for those who may be interested, we are seriously considering going to Ayodhya, maybe in August. I'm working on it, for those who may be interested in joining in that Tirat to visit the birthplace of Sri Ram. In all the years recently that I carried tours, we generally never went to Ayodhya because it made no sense. There was nothing to see. There was nothing except that small murti in a tent. Now when you read, just go on the internet and check the beautiful temple. 14 doors gold plated. It's a huge edifice being established in honor of Sri Ram. I just thought this morning I would share this information with you. Just on a programming note for IETV, we'll be carrying next week Sunday the proceedings. Won't be live because it's 2:20 in the morning, Trinidad time. So later in the day, after our service, the actual installation will be shown for those who have an interest in doing so. Now, with the Sri Ram temple or without the Sri Ram temple, our devotion never stopped. But with the establishment of Sri Ram temple, it adds another dimension. It adds a sense of pride, a sense of joy, and a physical location where the actual birthplace of Sri Ram, we can perform devotion. Today, as I conclude, just with these words, let us glorify Sri Ram. इसी में भागवत, इसी में गीता, इसी में भागवत, इसी में गीता, भजु मन राम, भजु मन सीता,
भजो मन राम, भजो मन सीता।
राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे, राम कृष्ण हरे गोपाल कृष्ण हरे। बोले श्री सीतारामचंद्र की जय। Devotees, हरि व्यापक सर्वत्र समाना, प्रेम ते प्रगट होई मैं जाना. Ramayana says God is all pervading, and wherever we worship Him, He can appear there to confirm our belief. In addition to that, there are sacred spots associated with Him that have special blessings. Ram Janmabhoomi, Krishna Janmabhoomi, devotees. As we talk about Sri Ram and Krishna today, those spots, devotees, when you visit those places, when you perform devotion, it adds another dimension to your being. I pray that the blessings of Sri Ram, Shri Krishna would be with all of us. We prepare for Havan. Let's join in a Sri Ram Kirtan.
Ram 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 Bole.
Ram 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 Bole.
Ram 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 Bole.
Ram Bole, Ram Bole. Ram Bole, Ram Bole. Ram 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 Bole. Ram 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 Raghu Rama. Ram 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 Raghu Rama. Ram 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 Raghu Rama. Ram 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 Raghu Rama. Ram 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 Bole. Ram 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 Bole. Ram 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 Bole.
Offer it. Again, Devta Namastute Achman. Sarva Paparang Divyam Gangyang Nirmalam Jalam. Achmanam cha mayadatam grahitam purushottama. Om Bhurvasva Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा ॐ भूर्भुवस्व तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा. Repeat swaha each time. Om Ganganapate Namah Swaha. Shri Gauri Mata Swaha. Prithvi Mata Swaha. Shri Panchlokpal Devaye Swaha. Shri Durga Mataye Swaha. Shri Lakshmi Mataye Swaha. Om Ai Saraswatiye Swaha. Shri Hanumantaye Swaha. Shri Sita Ramachandraye Swaha. Shri Radha Krishnaye Swaha. Shri Govardhan Giridhari Swaha. Om Ishta Devta Swaha. Kul Devta Swaha. Sthan Devaye Swaha. Gram Devaye Swaha. Etat Karam Pradhan Devaye Swaha. Vastu Devta Swaha. 33 crore Devta Swaha. Om Sarva Devta Sarva Devi Swaha. Om Shri Anand Swarupaye Swaha. Let us all stand. Om Purnamada Purnamadam Purnat Purnam Udachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Namah Shambhavaya Cha Mayo Bhavaya Cha Namah Shankaraya Cha Mayaskaraya Cha Shivaya Ta Shivtaraya Ta. Om Namah Shivaya Swaha. Achman. Sarva Paparang Devyam Gangyam Nirmalam Jalam Achmanam Cha Mayadatam Gahitam Purushottama. Jai Agindevta. Devotees, we all join Shri Ramayana Arati. As we come forward, perform Arati, receive our Chandan.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कली टललेत से अभी की.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले तले कसिया की.
गावत ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद वाल्मीकि विज्ञान विशारद सुख सनकादि शेष और शारद वर्णि पवन सुत कीरत नेकी.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले तले कसिया की.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की. आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कली तललेत से अभी की.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले तले कसिया की.
संतत गावत शंभु भवानी अर्घत संभव मुनि वे ज्ञानी. व्यास आदि कवि भूग बकानी काकभूषुन धिगरुर की. आरती श्री रामायण
जी की कीरति कले तले कसिया की.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की. आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कली तललेत से अभी की.
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले तले कसिया की.
चारु वेद पुराण अष्टदश चाहु शास्त्र सब ग्रंथन को रस. तन मन धन संतन के सर्वस सारयाच सम्मत सब एक. आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कली तलने दसी अभिगी
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले कसी अभिगी
कलिमल हरणी विषय रस की शुभ सिंगार मुक्ति युवती की हर निरोग भव मोरियमी की तात मात सब विधि तुलसी की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कली तलने दसी अभिगी आरती श्री रामायण जी की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कली तलने दसी अभिगी कीरति कली तलने दसी अभिगी कीरति कली तलने दसी अभिगी
हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम राम राम
हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 अयोध्यावासी श्री रामचंद्र आनंद रूप जय जय राम हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 अयोध्यावासी श्री रामचंद्र आनंद रूपा जय जय राम अयोध्यावासी श्री रामचंद्र आनंद रूपा जय जय राम हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण जय राम 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 हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
We focus on Sri Ram. मोह समदीनन दीन हित तुम समान रघुबीर अस विचारि रघुवंश मनि हरहु विषम भवभीर कामिहि नारी पियारी जिमि लोभ ही प्रिय जिमिदाम तिमि रघुनाथ निरंतर प्रिय लागहु मोहि राम। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। श्रीरामचंद्र चरणौ मनसा स्मरामि श्रीरामचंद्र चरणौ वचसा गृह्णामि श्रीरामचंद्र चरणौ शिरसा नमामि श्रीरामचंद्र चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। ओम वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानंदं कृष्णं वंदे जगद्गुरु। श्री कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। बोले श्री सीतारामचंद्र की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। कृष्णचंद्र की जय। स्वाहा माता की जय। गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू हैं। बोले श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। Please be seated, devotees. Today, I want to say a special welcome to Dr. Rishi Ramkisoon. He is based now in UK, it's London. Yeah, based in London, working and hailing right here from Diego Martin. I'm happy that he found the time, came for a few days vacation to join with us. Special blessings to you, your dad, the entire family. May you continue developing from strength to strength. And whenever back in Trinidad, again you visit temple. Special blessings. To Shanta Didi who started Shrota, special blessings. I pray the blessings of Sri Ram will be with you and we continue our life's journey.
Sitaram, in this segment we have joining us this morning Dr. Rishi Ramkisoon, originally from Swaha Sri Ramdam. He's now a doctor in the UK and he'll be joining us this morning to share a few words in his experiences. And how did Sri Ramdam contribute to your success as a doctor in the profession generally?
Sitaram, it's a pleasure to be back in Trinidad visiting. So currently I'm in the UK. I study oncology, so I'm a registrar at the Royal Marsden Hospital in London. I've been in the UK training for 5 years, so this is actually the first time in the last 5 years I've been back. In terms of the question, being a member of this temple, it has shaped my career. I've met people within the devotees, fellow devotees who have given advice and helped my career go forward, and I plan to do what I can for others in the temple as well, wishing to pursue anything along medicine lines.
Well, thanks for that, Dr. Rishi. And I would say, I myself am an engineer and managing projects and so on. For me, Temple has contributed that I was able to focus on what is being said, be able to listen and be able to respond accordingly in my profession. And that is a big, tremendous contribution that was had from the Temple. And I would imagine that from your studies, the extent of studies that you do, that your level of focus needs to be very high. And I would think that involvement in Temple as well would have done the same thing for you.
Absolutely, especially that mention about focus. It certainly has devotion, focus. It all goes hand in hand.
All right. So thank you, Dr. Rishi. We do look forward to your next visit here. And of course, we know that nothing is possible without the devotion of God and without the blessings of God. So we're glad to see that you're prioritizing this and hope for your continued support in the temple as you always do. Sitara.
Thank you.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्.
Thank you for viewing our Sunday morning service this week. For those of you interested in joining in person, we are located at Upper St. Lucian Road, Diego Martin. And for further information, contact the number below. We do look forward to your continued viewership. Sitaram, and thank you once again.